Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install Spotify on JIO Set Top Box. So let's start. The first one is navigate to the JIO store on your JIO Set Top Box. Okay, that's important. The second one is use the search bars or browse by category to find the Spotify app. The third one is select the Spotify app and follow the on-screen prompts to install it. So what to do if Spotify is not on the Geo Store? If you cannot find the Spotify is likely not available for the device, Geo's latest updates have removed the ability to install third-party apps are no official store. So you can use methods like ADB or APK side loading because the booting options are disabled on the Geo Set Top Box. So remember guys, if you don't find the Spotify is surely that is not available on the top box, so maybe you have to try another method like the APK program. And well, if there is the app on the GL store, well, you can install without any problem and start using it on that one. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.